In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Zillow Data 2026 full guide. By the end, you'll know how to capture a clean, complete copy of any Zillow property page, either as a printed handout or a polished PDF you can save and share. First, head to the exact Zillow property page you want to keep. Give the page a moment to fully load before you do anything else. Make sure the photo carousel is visible and responsive, and scroll until you see the listing facts section. Waiting for everything to populate ensures the print preview captures the most current information and prevents missing images or clipped sections. When the page looks fully ready, open your browser's print dialog. On a Windows desktop, press Ctrl plus P. On a Mac, press Command plus P. You can also right-click anywhere on the page and choose Print. On mobile, tap your browser menu or the share icon and select Print. Any of these paths will bring up the same preview and settings you need. Now, configure the output so it looks great. Set the destination to your printer if you want a paper copy, or choose Save as PDF if you prefer a digital file. Keep the layout on portrait to match Zillow's vertical design and avoid unexpected wrapping. For pages, choose All so the description, price history, and neighborhood details are included from start to finish. This prevents important sections from being cut off. Open more settings to fine-tune the layout. If the preview looks cramped or a column is getting trimmed, reduce the scale slightly. 90% is a reliable starting point. Or set margins to minimum to fit more content per page. For a clean, professional look, turn off headers and footers so the browser doesn't add the URL and date at the top and bottom. And if you want Zillow's background colors, map shading, and style elements to carry through, enable background graphics. Before finalizing, do a careful preview pass, scroll through every page, and confirm that must-have details, like the zestimate, contact sections, full property description, price history, neighborhood insights, and representative photos are visible and legible. If anything's missing or misaligned, adjust scale or margins and refresh the preview until it looks right. When you're satisfied, complete the job. Click Print to produce a physical copy, or click Save to generate a PDF for your records. That's all there is to it. Having a reliable paper or digital snapshot of your favorite listings keeps your home buying process organized and makes comparisons easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.